Social pension, aprobado na ang increase na pension from 500 pesos to 1,000 pesos. Ibibigay na ba? Ano na ang latest update? Madaming senior citizen ang nag-aabang kailan ba ibibigay ang dagdag na pension para sa indigent senior citizen. Ano ba ang dahilan bakit hindi pa rin ito ibinibigay? Atin pong panoorin ang video clip na ito at tinalakay sa Senado ang tungkol dito. Panoorin at tapusin ang buong video para sa dagdag kaalaman. Bago tayo magpatuloy, huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe sa aking channel. Thank you sa pag-click ng aking video. Good day po sa lahat ng mga nanonood. Sa mga bagong viewers at napadaan lang, by the way, I'm Tita Eda. Welcome to my channel. Ang channel na maghahatid sa iyo ng dagdag kaalaman tungkol sa government services, bagong mga balita at informative videos na galing sa legit na resources. Mag-subscribe na para updated ka.
Have a budget finally to implement the doubling from 500 pesos to 1,000 pesos social pension for our senior citizens. Because if I look at the figures right now being shown here inside this plenary, it's only 2.1 billion, which I think is manageable, Mr. President. But if you look at the budget for the social pension, I know it's way higher. So I just wanted to put on record, Mr. President, that even before we act on this particular measure, we are already assured that our senior citizens will get what is due them with regard to the law that we passed last Congress. Thank you, Mr. President. Thank you, distinguished colleague.
Yes, thank you very much. And I hope it's of help if you could look at the slide that we've put up regarding the social pension. It's been a matter of grave concern that we have not been able to deliver the 500 additional amount that was promised originally in the bill of Majority Leader Villanueva. So, ang nangyari, naglagay po tayo ng unprogrammed appropriation dahil ayaw pumayag noong 2023 at mukha naman paunti-unti may lumalabas. Kung sakasakali, ma-release yung 25 billion na yan, mawawala na yung utang natin, may konting excess pa ng 489 million. But for 2024, nakaprogram na siya na kumpleto. Kulang na lang nung 3 billion na sigurado naman ako, tutulungan ninyo akong maghanap niyan para wala na tayong utang sa mga lolo't lola.
So we mean to say, Mr. President, there's still 3 billion lacking plus the
2.1.
So that's about 5 billion, Your Honor, Mr. President.
Siguro nun, mahahanap na natin
I
yan.
think it's manageable, and with the help of our Senate President as our leader and the minority leader, and this representation together with Senator Amy Marcos will be able to address this very concerning issue in relation to our desire to honor our senior citizens. So with that, Mr. President, let me put into the records my full support to this very important piece of legislation. At this juncture, Mr. President, may I move that we recognize also Senator Bong Revilla for his manifestation/interpellation. Thank you, Mr. President.
Yes, I just
Thank you, Mr. President.
Senator Ibibigay is recognized.
We thank the very able and hardworking chairperson of the Committee on Social Justice, Welfare, and Rural Development, Senator Amy Marcos, for shepherding this measure, which has been our commitment to our beloved senior citizens, Mr. President. This is not a question, but a mere reiteration. No less than the United Nations Principles for Older Persons mandate that senior citizens should have access to social and legal services to enhance their autonomy, protection, and care. Hindi naman po lingid sa kaalaman ng lahat na sa dapit hapon ng kanilang buhay, dumarami ang pangangailangan ng ating mga senior citizens na kadalasan ay hindi na nila kayang matustusan sa kadahilan ng retirado na sila. This is why, as we commend Senator Marcos for her efforts in ensuring this measure is given ample attention. We do so with the prayer of hope that by next year, we have already turned this dream into reality. Panawagan din po natin sa DBM, ibigay na natin ito sa ating mga senior citizens. Simple lamang po ang hangad ng panukalang ito. How much, or shall we say, how little of our budget will it entail? Katulad po ng nabanggit ng ating mahal na senador, Senator Amy, 2.1 billion lamang po, no? Napakaliit nito para sa ating mga senior citizens.
If sa tingin mo, natulungan ka ng video ko na ito, nakasave ka sa oras mo, you can click yung thanks button at any amount ay malaking help sa pag-grow ng channel ko. Yun lang po muna ang aking update. Sana ay nakatulong na dagdag kaalaman ang aking shinare today. Ang goal ng aking channel ay mag-create ng awareness. Kung ganitong mga topic ang gusto mo, panoorin mo ang mga videos ko na ito. Thanks for watching! Kung may kapamilya, kaibigan o kakilala sa tingin mo ay magiging interesado sa video, please share or tag sila sa comment section. At syempre, if nagustuhan mo ang video, i-like mo na ito at subscribe ka na din. As always, feel free to write your questions, comments, and opinions respectfully. And continue to be a blessing and stay safe!